The Pixel Buds Pro are Google's latest pair of wireless earbuds. The company's fourth attempt in this product category is the most expensive and feature-rich one so far. While the initial models got a mixed reception, the company has gotten steadily better at it with each iteration. The Pixel Buds Pro will undoubtedly be the best one so far. The question is Google best good enough in the current competitive market, especially at the $200 asking price? Time to find out. The Pixel Buds Pro design is an evolution of the 2020 Pixel Buds and 2021 Pixel Buds A series designs, both of which had identical snail-shaped parts. The Pixel Buds Pro used the hooks for securing the in place. The shape of the earbuds is now more bulbous and less elegant. Likely to house the extra bits of hardware needed to enable the ANC features, it does not look all that different, however, when it's inside your ears. Like the Pixel Buds 2020 and the A series, the Pixel Buds Pro only feature color on the circular part facing outside. You can choose from coral, fog, charcoal and lemongrass. The rest of the earbuds remain black. The outside of the earbud has lots of little grills and ports. There are two grills for the microphone and a port on the bottom for venting the driver. On the back side are the contacts for the charging case. Hidden below is the optical sensor for in-ear detection. The charging case is finished in matte white plastic regardless of the color of the earbuds. The outer surface has a wonderfully smooth texture that almost feels like ceramic. Inside the case has a matte black finish again with a really nice texture. The edges of the lid are perfectly polished and the hinge has very little play. The lid also stays in place when open and doesn't threaten to snap shut while you are trying to pull the earbuds out. The overall build quality and feel of the case are top-notch. Little details like the reassuring heft, the solid hunk of the lid opening and closing, and soft glow of the white status LED through the plastic on the front convey that a lot of thought went to designing the case, even thought it looks similar to many other models on the market. Having tested most of these, I can say very few look and feel as good in the hand. The earbuds build is nothing special. In fact, I was quite disappointed by how easy it is for them to look dirty after being in contact with skin oils, which for a product designed to sit inside your ears isn't very well thought out. The charcoal model also makes this rather easy to notice when they are also annoyingly difficult to pull out of the case, and the small rounded design makes them fiddly to place inside your ears, especially with sausage fingers. The good thing is that both the earbuds and the case have some level of water resistance. The earbuds are IPX4 rated while the case is IPX2. Neither will survive being dipped in water, but minor splashes, rain or sweat should pose no problems. Based on the personal experience, the Pixel Buds Pro are comfortable to use. They have a relatively small design that should fit most people unless you have particularly small ears. The bundled silicone tips are soft and pliant. There are three sizes, with the middle one being applied by default. The ear tips don't go too deep inside your ears and sit just a few millimeters deep. The ear tips are extremely pliant and as a result tend to turn inside out from friction almost every time you pull them out of your ears. In practice, the Pixel Buds Pro feel no different to wear than most other well-designed pair of earbuds. I was able to wear them for extended periods of time, but as always, your mileage may vary. The Pixel Buds Pro have a straightforward pairing process. The buds automatically go into pairing mode the first time you open them. Subsequently, you can press and hold the button on the back of the case to enable pairing mode. Google First Pair is also supported on Android devices. Once paired, you can install the optional Pixel Buds app to access additional functions. This app is only available on Android, so the limited functionality it does offer is not available on other platforms. If you are using a Pixel phone, then you do not need to install anything as the functionality is built into a system-level app. Through the app, you can set up the Google Assistant feature to work hands-free with the earbuds, enable Find Device, customize the touch controls, enable the volume EQ feature, check for ear tip seal, and update the firmware. Multi-point and audio switching can also be configured. The touch controls have limited customizability. The only action that's configurable is touch and hold, with all others being locked to what's set by default. You can also disable all of them or none at all. The gestures work well and are followed by a quick reassuring bell. The ANC modes can be changed from the app, but they can also be toggled through the touch gesture on the earbuds themselves. You can configure which toggles are available for the gestures.